Hey guys, Patrick Johnston, Go Dominican Life, right here in Las Terrenas, of course. Thank you very much, first of all, for watching this video. Thank you for being on our channel. And thank you very much for supporting the GoFundMe that we did to help our friend Alex with his business Zubar that was affected by the fire over a month ago. We raised just around 5,000 Canadian dollars for Alex to get back up and get running. So I thought today we'd come to the beach and check out what he's done, where he is right now, and we'll get a status update. All right, walk with me. All right. So the good part is all of the little businesses that were here, they've all started to rebuild. It took a little bit of time because we had permits and other things that they were working on that they had to finish. And of course, it's a political time of the year right now in the DR. So it took a bit of time, but let's go and see what he's doing. Hey, there's the man.
Hello, how are you doing?
Come on out, Alex.
Hello.
So everybody knows Alex, obviously.
Yes.
Welcome, man. So tell us about what's happening now and what status you are in terms of your rebuild.
Okay, now we are starting making the dishwashers, and we're gonna make here the kitchen. Okay, this is gonna be the kitchen area. This is gonna be the front door. Here is gonna be the bar. We're gonna have a bar in L with 10 seats outside, and obviously the roof to work to receive people. Yes.
Yeah. So I guess maybe tell us about the standards now that the government or the town has made so that hopefully it never happens again in terms of the fire.
Well, the first thing is that we don't want to work with Cana.
Correct.
Cana disappear. We get the advance that we have 2 public bathrooms now for the neighborhood.
Very
for
good.
Women and men. It's a new truck of fire station, okay, that can go to the sea, to the ocean and throw. It's a new one that bring the mayor.
Oh, yeah, that's the brand new truck.
Yes, that's the brand new truck.
This was on Facebook. I forgot a couple of days ago, but a brand new pumper truck.
Yes.
That can now drive on the beach and suck the ocean water.
Exactly.
Okay, good.
And finally, this is going to be because normally it's work well. Tank of gas, we're going to be absolutely careful. Most of the people is taking out. People can come, they come in, they taking out.
And anyone that went through this experience now will have a fire extinguisher or 2 or 3,
yes,
more conscious to everything. The other fun part, Alex and I talked about a couple of days ago. Part of the history is now part of the new.
Oh yes.
So behind us, some of these posts that were originally coconut trees from wherever that were caught up in the original Zubar are now back right behind you. It's funny, but
the same pile that they take out with the fire now is going to be the post for
the future.
For the future. Yeah.
So that's always a good thing. It's sort of like when you get someone gets married, they say they pass down something from the past, something that's old, something that is blue, however that saying goes. But it's been a long time coming. When did the fire happen again, roughly? A month ago or more?
4th of January.
4th of January. So we're now sitting at the 20th of February.
Yes.
Now Alex has been open just down here on the beach, and I was just saying off camera that a couple of nights ago you had 22 people.
Yes.
So Alex is open.
Yeah, we're still working. Yes.
Yeah.
Just
right there. And in fact, we joked and said, that's probably the cheapest and best business right there. Right? But we don't want to do that in the future.
No.
But the idea is that he's still open. You can come down for cocktails. You can come down for ceviche.
Yes.
You have a grill.
Yes.
And it's probably the most romantic.
Now everybody came for romantic dinner.
Because you're right on the beach. You have the lights. You have the grill. You have Alex and his entertainment and his crew. But of course, you expect to be fully open here.
Yeah, next Saturday we have a day, but I don't think that it's going to be next Saturday. Maybe Monday.
Yeah. Okay. But we're on track. And for all the others on the beach, everyone is also continuing to build.
Yes.
Which is good because, like anything, if Alex is open and others are open, the pathway walks right down here, and it's the best entertainer wins.
Yes.
And we already know who's the best entertainer on the beach.
Thank you very much.
So, kitchen gear was all saved.
Yes.
all the equipment, the freezers, the barbecues.
Yeah.
So basically, it was the structure that we had to rebuild, and it's gonna be better.
Yep. Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's more space now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, for our viewers and your clients of the past that all contributed to help you, we thank you very much for helping us get him, Alex, back up and running. And we'll do another launch video when we're all ready.
Yeah, when we're ready, we're going to make a new video.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, thanks again, everyone, for watching.
Thank you very much.
Okay, good luck and everything, yeah?